Hi soulmates, if you like to learn how to make an eyelet on a dress with the rivet machine and the soldering iron, watch this video to the very end. Right here I have the eyelet. The eyelet is made up of two parts. This part, which is the one that will be on the front of the outfit. The other part is smaller, yes, and it consists of the rough side and the smooth side. For those that don't know, this is what a rivet machine looks like. You can get it in the market. And of course, we have the soldering iron, which can only be used when there is electricity. So right here I have my dress with me. I'm going to go ahead to decide how many eyelets I'll be making. So I said to make 5. That's 5 on each side of the back. I'll then go ahead to place a mark which would guide me when I'm using the soldering iron on the dress. My name is Veronica Adams Eze. Welcome to Vera Adams YouTube channel. So now I'm done marking those points. I hope you can see them. This is the point at which I'll be making the eyelets. So right here, I've already gone ahead to make one eyelet of the camera. My camera wasn't recording, unknown to me, but I'll be moving down to the second one. So I'm putting in, remember that the soldering iron is hot, so I'm carefully putting it in to make a hole. You can check if the hole is big enough. Then if it is not, you can just try to make it a bit bigger, but please be careful so you don't make it too big, because if it is small, you can actually adjust it and make it a bit bigger, just the way I'm doing right here. But if it is too big, then that's a big problem. Once I'm satisfied with the size of the hole, I'm going to go ahead to put the first part of the eyelet into it from the front side. Remember, it's from the front side. Then it will come out the back just like this. Then I'll go ahead to add the second part, which is the smaller part. Remember that I said that's a rough side and a smooth side. I'll be placing the rough side into this, so the smooth side will be the one facing outside. I hope you understand this. I'll then go ahead and place this exactly that way into the rivet machine. Please note that it's the wrong side and not the right side that will be at the top, just the way it is here. So all you need to do is press the handle of the rivet machine downwards. So right here we have our eyelet perfectly done. So this is what it looks like on the right side. So I'll go ahead and repeat the same process till I get to the end of this. Please note that the rivet machine can do a lot of things, so it comes with different dies. So when you get to the market, be sure to ask for the dies for the eyelet, and even the dies for the eyelet comes in different sizes, so be sure to get the right size. And again, make sure that the soldering iron is not too hot so that it doesn't burn off the whole fabric. And make sure to insert the eyelet, the first part of the eyelet, from the front side, not the back, from the front side, then push it into the back. To everyone that has subscribed to this YouTube channel, I want to say a very big thank you. If you haven't, or if this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe. Please note that the more the pressure you put on the handle of this rivet machine when pressing it down, is the more firm the eyelet will come out. If this video was any helpful to you, do well to click on the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So right here I'm done making the whole eyelet of this outfit. So right here is the right side. Let's go over to see what the wrong side looks like. At this point, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.